After yung gimmick namin with friends is M Grand Spa. This is located at Asiana Complex. This is a spa na you can stay for 12 hours and you can check in at any time. 24 hours open siya. At the time when we went, this is in May 2025, ang per head nila is 1,099. So what you're seeing now are yung sleeping kiosks, ayan. So you can actually sleep. So imbis na nag-check-in kami sa hotel, because we didn't wanna come home kasi nga the following day may activity pa kami sa Manila. So instead of checking in at the hotel, we decided to experience M Grand since pwede naman ding matulog. And if you notice kanina, flatbed siya, but I can actually accommodate, I think, about 4 people because I've seen small families or barkadas in the sleeping kiosks. Tas may tablet pa siya sa loob. Siyempre may bean pillows na doon. May tablet siya sa loob, pwede kayong mag-social media or mag-YouTube, manood ng movies and what. So okay naman, natulog kami dyan, and then when we woke up in the morning, eto, ikot-ikot muna. Ang una namin nakita yung mga dry sauna nila. They have 2. Yung isa mas mataas yung temperature, yung isa medium greenhouse. As ayan, parang may library sila. They also provide robes, of course. And ayan, may book bar. That's the library, I think. May mga mababasa naman dyan. Although I noticed yung ibang libro, Chinese. This is the gaming area. It's pay to play. Hindi siya kasama sa entrance. So, ano inclusive ng entrance? You can utilize yung kanilang sauna, the wet area, the spa. May discount ata sa massages. And inclusive of ano naman na siya, the meals. So, it depende kung anong oras kayo mag-check-in. In our case, since nag-check-in kami ng 2 a.m., dapat sana maabutan namin yung unlimited midnight snack. Kaso hanggang from 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. lang pala yun. So, ang nabutan namin is yung unlimited breakfast. So, ito yung lounge area. It's actually a huge complex and 4 floors siya. Bukod dun sa gaming area and dun sa mga sauna, sa wet area. Meron din siyang hot pool at saka yung steam sauna pero bawal kasi cameras dun. By the way, before I forget, you're required to strip pag dun kayo sa wet area. Pero meron namang disposable underwear. And the massages, I think, separate ang girls from boys. And this is the complimentary